Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make chain twist. This hairstyle is called chain twist and people still find it difficult to make it. Although the hairstyle did not really trend that much because it's so hard. Not really hard like that, but it doesn't worth it because it is time consuming. But here is how it is being made. So once you are done twisting your hair, let me teach you how to twist. We have different kind of twisting. I have explained in my previous video that we have the forward method and the backward method of twisting. So this one right here is the backward method of twisting. So once you are done with the down part of the hair, I'm making use of knotless braid method. You can also use the locks method or any method of your choice, but I'm making use of the normal knotless method. So once you are done with the knotless base, you want to proceed to the part whereby you'll be knotting it just like the way you are seeing it here. So I was knotting it so that it's not going to loosen, and the next thing I'll be doing now is splitting it into two equal parts. So once you are done splitting it into two equal parts, you make each to be twisting. Yes, I twisted everything down one after the other. Then that is where the chain twist now comes in. So sit down and enjoy this video to the part where I'll be explaining much more about the chain twist. So I'm finally done with twisting the both hair, and it is time for me to proceed to the chain twist part. So when you are twisting this chain twist, look at the way that I'm carrying my hand. It is a very wrong method. It is the forward method that you'll be using. After you use the backward method for twisting each twisting, then you use the forward method to twist it and make it form this chain twist. Look at the way that I'm doing it right here. You don't have to rush it, you just have to keep doing it and you will get it. So like I said earlier, I said this chain twist is really time consuming, right? So if you want to make it in a very easy way, I would say that you should add someone to join you while making it, or probably you make it a very in a big size. But if it's getting too big, it's not going to come out nicely. If I have made this twisting tinier than this and I changed it, it's going to look much more finer like than the one you're seeing on the screen. So like I said again, I would advise you to add someone to assist you while making this chain twist. Although the result is also beautiful once you are done, I assure you you love the outcome. So this is how to make chain twist, and it is very easy. If you are done with this method, you dip it inside hot water and to make it look more beautiful. That is why I recommend that you dip it inside hot water. So if you're just joining my channel for the first time, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you. You can also check through my page and see different DIYs of how to make different kind of hairstyle. And if you have anyone in mind that you want me to explain, just drop a comment and I'm going to release it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.